Ambassador of Pakistan, His Excellency Dr. Sajid, Embassy of Pakistan would like to extend the gratitude and heartfelt thanks for joining us tonight. We'll soon be starting the program. Before that, I would like to invite Ambassador of Pakistan, His Excellency Dr. Sajid, to make opening remarks, please.
A very good evening to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is, I should say, my first evening here in Japan to entertain and host my friends, some of them very old friends, in the embassy, and this is part of the celebrations that we are having to commemorate the 70th birth anniversary of Pakistan, and also to celebrate the 65th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Japan and Pakistan. The much tried wisdom is not to be a barrier between a good musical evening and the audience, so I would bore you with a speech. I just want to welcome you all. I do hope that you enjoyed the food. I can assure you that in the minutes and perhaps an hour to follow, you will also get a very good flavor of Pakistani Sufi music. And the performer tonight is someone who actually reminds me a lot about Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. And Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan is someone that I have spent many evenings listening to live, face to face. I come from Lahore. And I think most of you probably would not know that this year, on 16th of August, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan passed away. So this year is also the 20th death anniversary of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. And I have had the honor also of actually attending the Chaliswa, as we say in Pakistani, the funeral rites of late Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan in Pakistan. So I thank you once again for sparing time, for joining us. Enjoy the evening, which I'm sure will be a promising one. Thank you very much.
Prominent musicians with us tonight. I would like to introduce them to you, sitting here. Mr. Shehzad, Fazal Abbas, Irfan Hussain, Rafat Ali, Mohammad Abdul. These are the guys who are sitting on the stage. And certainly with us is a very famous and prominent student, as Ambassador said, of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. He is very famous in Pakistan. So I would like you to welcome Joji Ali Khan to come on the stage.